Okay, a client has asked how to replace the Ives 09-310 replacement rubber tip for the 69 series hinge pin door stops. Hinge pin door stops like this. The 69 is a very common one. Some people have and do refer to it as the heavy duty one, even though hinge pin door stops are really they're never the best piece of equipment to use. There's always a better option when it comes to stopping a door. Hinge pin door stops are known to damage casing and doors and hinges, but nonetheless, who knows how many countless bushel loads are produced on a daily basis at the factory. And they're clearly effective when they are used to just keep a door from going that one extra half inch, that sort of thing. If this is going to be an application where you're going to put a lot of pressure on that door once the door has pushed the hinge pin stop to the jamb or to the casing, and you keep pushing, you can pull that casing off. I've seen hollow core wood doors crushed in the face. I have seen hinges bent as well with other types. So the bottom line is, this is a 69. This happens to be an Ives. Lots of people have copied this. Ives. This was probably, well, it is. It's just dirty. It's a 69 F15 is probably what that was, or maybe an A92. Okay. So the replacement of the 09310 is literally just, and mine actually need to be replaced because these tips get very hard. This is still somewhat pliable, but they get very hard and stiff and start to crack. All you're going to do really is just pull that out. It'll just sneak out on you like that. The new one, much rubbier, much more rubber, and all I really did was just pushed that in and kind of just turned it a little bit, and that just forces that end. When I push it in and then turn it, it kind of just forces it to work its way in. I don't know that I'd want to sit there and do 100 of these at once, but there you go. Just push it in, turn it a little bit, and it'll just kind of snap itself in. It's just simply the bottom line. So we're going to pull that one out. We'll put the old one back in. Yeah, when they get fatigued, they're a lot easier to put in and out than when they're brand new. We sell these all the time, every week. This one here is every bit of 20 years old. It's not yet cracked, but if this was in an application where it was actually getting used, like making contact with the door and the jamb, which it's really not, adult use, the door's not being hyperextended, I would probably replace these, but at this point, I just wouldn't. But people who buy these 09310s, they're replacing them because they're cracked, they are no longer very effective, they're denting or damaging, or they're just gone. And you certainly need that rubber tip installed in order for it to at least be reasonably effective. If there's any questions how to do something like this or any other item as it pertains to not only Ives but hardware in general, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you very much.